guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love making lifestyle and home decor videos here on YouTube, so I invite you all to join my family. First of all, before I start this video, I want to say thank you all for your love and support this year and to previous years. If you're part of the family since I started my YouTube channel and he's breaking the hot cocoa station. So guys, today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be decorating the kitchen. I went very simple again with my holiday decor here in this space. I only wanted to add a little pop of traditional decor, so I use red for the kitchen and nothing major. I just created a little hot cocoa station. You guys are gonna see what I did. Nothing crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to decorate your kitchen this season. I will see you all in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't. God bless and Merry Christmas to you all.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.